So this is Shubham Lohar from Wave 6 presenting you presentation in barcode technology. So this is a content and overview of a barcode. So what is a barcode, history of barcode types, how does it work, scanners, applications, advantage, disadvantage, and conclusion. So first of all, what is a barcode? A barcode is a method of representing data in a visual and machine readable format. As a simple, you can say their barcode contain information of a product number or any item number there, and it is an automatic identification technology. Barcode is predefined by two types. First one is a dark bars and second one is white spaces. We can detect the code from only from these two types. In the barcode space, the dark bar is considered as a 1 and white spaces is considered as a 0. So the barcode technology is invented by a Norman Joseph Woodland. He is an American and he studied Bachelor of Science from Mechanical Engineering at Drexel University. So second one is the history of barcode. As far back in 1960, barcode the first very introduced in an industrial work environment. Then it is used in a grocery or any particular manufacturing company also in 1970. From then onwards, it is also used in a car manufacturing and many railways and any other things. And the first impact of a barcode technology, which is used in a 26th of January 1974, where is the company, the right Wrigley Juicy is scan first his product of bargum of 10 pack. So the one history is that in 1948, a Barmer Silver, a fellow Daring Institute graduate student with the inverter, which is Norman Joseph Woodland, overheard a supermarket executive that he want to determine that how to capture information automatically and check out. So he want that technology that used and checkpoint, so he automatically capture the information of any product or item which is the receiver want to. Types of barcode. There are mainly two types of barcode used. First one is linear barcode, which is also you can see one-dimensional barcode is in a horizontal manner. And second one is in 2D barcode, which is both horizontal and in vertical manner. In linear barcode, there is a many types of barcodes are, which is code 11, which is particularly primarily used in telecommunication, and code 121, 28 and code 39, which is used in some high density companies like any manufacturing company. And UPC, which is also known as Universal Product Code, is a barcode that is widely used in India and USA and other countries for tracking trade items in a store. So the main barcode which are we use right now for any product like a Flipkart or any items are UPC barcode. In 2D barcode, there is a data matrix, asterisk codes, and QR code. QR code is nowadays a very popular quick response code. So the difference between linear barcode and 2D barcode is that linear barcode only contain numerical value, which is 1, 0 to 9 or any symbolic value, while 2D barcode can contain alphabet value also, while it's put information of text, URL, phone number, or anything else also. Next one is how its barcodes works. So each barcode level have three different parts. First one is manufacturing ID, second one is product item number, and third one is check digit. So the first 5 number of a manufacturing ID is represented as a manufacturing ID from which company it is manufactured from. And the next set of 5 number is product ID number from what product we are. So that, and every product item number have a unique ID number. And the third one is a check digit. The check digit is a final number on the barcode label. When scanner read the barcode, the digit helps it to verify that the barcode has been read correctly. And this all the process is done by through the barcode scanner. So the main work of a barcode scanner is to fetch the data from the barcode and it's transfer that information to the computer. So in computer, all the inputs, outputs, which find the records and it's detects all the information of that information product or any particular item from where it is brought or what is the. So the third one is our mechanism of barcode. So how is barcode is work? So there is a 95 lines of barcode in barcode label. From there is a 3 line at first, 3 line at middle, and 3 line at last. From middle side, you can say there is a 42 line at left side and 42 line at right side, and 6 line contain 1 block. So left side contains 7 block and right side contain also 7 block. But the difference is that left side, which is even side, contain a number which is 5. So 5 also have 3 black bars and 3 white spaces. But at odd side, that 5 number contain 4 black bars and 2 white spaces. So it's difference that when barcode scanner scan the barcode, so he knows that from which side is an manufacturing code and from which side is a product code. So this is, and you can see there is a binary code is also here, left side and right side of a 0 number, 1 number from 0 to 9. So next is an barcode scanner. So a barcode scanner, or you can say barcode reader, is an optical scanner that can read printed barcode and decode the data contained in the barcode and send it to a computer. This is an electronic device to read printed barcode. A barcode scanner are many types of, like pen style scanner, slot based scanner, camera based scanner, and laser based scanner. Pen style scanner are in a size of a pen which is used in a laser beam in a pinpoint of it. And in a slot based scanner, you can example that in a supermarket, when in a checkpoint, it is used a slot based scanner to detect the barcode. And camera based scanner, which is used in our phone also right now to capture the QR code or anything. And laser based scanner is uh, one of fundamental of a barcode scanner. So this is the application of barcodes. Right now it is used for department store. It is used in library when you take books in from library. It's only scan the barcode of a book at the endpoint and it gives the all detail and you put the information of a user who want to that books. So that's it work on. From industry, it is also used in health industry, document tracking, and right now in many fields, the barcode technology tracks for success. So the barcodes are labels are very cheap and it is very great efficiency and you can carry out and put in any something and it you can put information under in it also. And user friendly technology is also has. So the advantage of it is that it represents unique identity of a product. Right now there is a system also come of encryption that if you want to put any information and you want to give it any receiver that only want to give that receiver that he also scan the barcode and give out password of that and he always give the input of that. Like cost efficient accuracy of data input, real-time data collection, and bidirectional symbology. And disadvantage is that if a system failures, that it may cause more delay. And in rainy system, rainy weathers or any weather, you can say that barcode can scrap or it can remove. So it's problem that detect also. And conclusion is that barcode is positive impact on daily life and it is a very versatile use and user friendly, have a lot of advantage with bottlenecks and it is laser emission on used on human body is harmful for skills which is used in scanner. So any question?
I don't know about the questions, but this barcode, it's a very unique sort of a thing which we can identify, we can come across every day in our daily lives, right? starting from milk packets to everything has barcodes these days.
Yes,
It all
yes,
started
right.
by the
Yes, sir. Right now, if we want to use the WhatsApp web, so we have to use barcode scanner from WhatsApp to that, and it's put an encryption key, so we can use WhatsApp web also through there.
the most interesting part is these barcodes. It was initiated by railroad. And it was used by initially by marking the rail cars, the bogies of the railway which used to carry coal. It was marked. It was being used there. 1956. And now we have come a long way, 50, almost 74 years, right? The barcodes are here, still they are
Yes,
there.
sir.
And it's such a prominent technology. It is developing every day. WhatsApp has allowed it, right? So we have
Yes, sir.
things. So we can have a discussion about it, sir. What do you say?
Yeah, so this barcode thing is directly connected with any business, so it makes it very interesting. I just had one or two things. Of course, Shubham also mentioned about it starting with railroad in his first slide itself, given a very basic thing. But one thing is that at Infovue, is it possible for us to take the barcode technology to a basic shop? Is it possible? Can we work on something, or forget about we can do it or not? But then how do we make it possible for people in the micro sector? Can this technology be taken? Is it possible? How can that be done? Can we work on that? Is it possible, Subham? Let's say there's a small village shop, yeah, or maybe service, a small service center, or something which is selling products. Is it possible for us to take it there? Is there some way? Because then I can identify a lot of places where barcode is possible. Let's say we talk about the car. Car is going for this thing, for its repair or for its service. So they need all the details. Owner of the car, chases number, car. They want barcode, but it's not used by the workers. They don't use it for some reason. And this is one very abstract example I gave, but then there can be a lot of other examples. Like let's say we have a lot of things in our office. We have 10 computers, 5 laptops, 6 printers. So why don't we, I mean, large companies are doing it, but at small company level, can there be a barcode which can be allocated so that we can have an asset management system? So some such thing is, or maybe we got 500, 200 chairs. Now, how do we convert them into barcodes and can identify the chairs individually and have it recorded? Is it possible,
Yes.
or it seems to be the case, or
No,
I
sir.
don't
It
know?
is.
Is
It
something
is. It is
something like
quite possible, and we can actually take it forward with your next project. It's a very good idea. I haven't thought of it. It's a very good idea, sir. We can actually put in an asset management module, which can take care of this basic problem, very basic problem, which no one has attended to. Everyone, it's like in our house also, we can actually connect to many things regarding this. I might myself forget where the things are. There can be a digital tagging system where we can actually identify what is there and what is not.
Also, see, now I've got a bill here in front of me. I don't know if you can see it. There's a barcode there. There's a barcode, but I don't use it. Uh, but I think if I use this barcode for making the payment, it's going to be much easier and faster for me, I'm sure. So how do we make it more user friendly, the whole system of barcode, take it to the layman, people who don't understand barcode? I understand barcode supposedly, but I'm not using this barcode system. Whereas if I use this barcode, I don't have to identify what is the bill amount and what is the consumer number. It's very painful.
Yes.
So these are the few things that I think somewhere we can identify some utility and take the barcode to the next level. That is all that I wanted to add to this point.